Welcome to another Mendeley video. In this video we are going to discuss the Mendeley Suggest option which is given at the first pane. In the previous video we have seen that how we can do the literature search through Mendeley catalog. The same way we can get suggestion from Mendeley library and catalog. In order to complete that, just click on Mendeley Suggest and it will take directly to the Suggest page of the Mendeley. Just click on that and it will open the web Mendeley library where you can get the suggestion. But before getting suggestion you need to add an article to the Mendeley library, and that can be done simply by uploading one file to the library. Simply click on upload file and choose your file which you want to upload and get suggestion. So once it is added to the Mendeley, it will fetch suggestions and display below the, you can see here, add document. Okay, now I click on finish and now you can notice that you added to your library librarian guide, and now new activities and changing role of health science librarians, a systematic review. Like that you will be getting lot of suggestions related to the article. And what you can do here, that you can, if you wish that it should be added to your library, you just simply click on add to your library and it will be added to your library. The same way you can add other articles or other information. You see here I have added 3, 4 and 5. I have added 5 items now, and now let us go and see the Mendeley desktop library whether it has been fetched or not. You can see here that all 5 articles which we added now are listed in library, and if you click on this you will be getting the metadata information at the right pane. But notice one thing, details are correct. These details need review. Why? Because unless or until you review it, it will not be added to your Mendeley library. And the left side also you can see there is a button need review. So if you select and approve it that details are correct, then it will be added to your library. The same way the another articles which you have taken from suggestion, you need to confirm it as a correct information. And now you can notice that left side the need review option is hidden. It means all the details have been fetched from the suggestion. So in this way the suggestion page, or you can say the Mendeley suggestion, can also be a very helpful to retrieve the suggestion related to your interested area, and you can get the information, the bibliographical detail and other details also relevant to your research work. So hope this video has been has been beneficial for you, and I have been able to make you understand how to use the Mendeley suggestion to get the suggestion from the intellectuals worldwide. So in next video we are going to see that how to use my library and other options available in this. So thanks for watching this video.